Hey guys, Joe with Access Auto. We have a 2008 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's a Sahara model. Of course, it's an automatic. $14,995 is what we're asking for this one. Alloy rims, running boards, Sahara Unlimited. Of course, it's a four-door because that's why it's an Unlimited. It's got a set of rain gutters on the top, rain guards, rear tire spare mount, plenty of room in the back in these Unlimiteds. Seats fold all the way down, which is really nice. Rear speaker. Truck's got a tow package. There's a little walk around. The body's in very good condition on this one. A lot of them are kind of beat up. And bonus on this, it comes with a hard top, not a soft top. It's got power locks. Interior's very clean. It's that gray interior, not the light tan. AM/FM CD player. It's got your phone, Bluetooth on there also. Heating controls, automatic four-wheel drive lever, set of fog lights on this one, also cruise control. Truck's got 120,708. It's got the Freedom tops that come standard with the hard top, which is kind of cool. You can have it turn into a T-top or a double T-top. Stereo system also has on the roll bar area there's speakers. Truck's very, very clean. We sell a lot of Jeeps here. We also are a rough country dealer. If you wanted to put a lift kit in one of these, we could do it without a problem for you. I'm just going to open up the hood real quick and show you the engine. 3.8 liter V6. Everything's in good condition. We service this vehicle up. It's ready to roll. Four-wheel drive works fantastic. And once again, it's $14,995. Access Auto Sales and Service. 518-489-1100 or accessauto2.com. Look us up. Come down and get yourself a Jeep for the summer. Thanks, guys.